everybody, welcome back to my channel. The first thing I'm gonna say is I am having some personal issues. I will be making a video about this. I don't know when I'm ready to make the video. It'll probably be at the end of the week. It has nothing to do with Graham. Graham and I are very happy. Ben and I are very happy, but I want to bring it up to you guys because I feel like you guys should know, because I feel like you guys are my friends and family. I get to know you guys more than I do with my real life. And you know, I do have people who watch I do have friends and family who watch some of my videos, but I feel like I'm going to make a video and I'm not going to announce this over Facebook. But be prepared for something that is personally going on in my life. I am very emotional over it. So I feel like I talked to Graham and he said that, you know, it's okay if I say something. We just gonna wait a little bit, but be prepared. But that is the reason why I haven't been wanting to do videos lately. I do have depression. And sometimes I don't want to leave my house. And I used to take medication for it, but the thing that's happening now, I just don't want to go anywhere. I'm positive, I'm not negative. I'm not going to hurt myself. I just don't want to leave the house. And like, I love shopping, but sometimes it takes forever for me to like when I get home, I break things down for you guys. Like, I write all the stuff down, and then by the time I get home and by the time I film my videos and by the time I edit my videos and post them, I could have been home for 3 or 4 hours. That's just how long it takes me to do. So be prepared for you guys. I'm sorry I'm not like really hardcore this month. Plus, I think Ibotta sucks for this month. I just think Walmart, Ibotta, it's just a bad month. I love Ibotta. Ibotta is my favorite app to use. I mean, I've gotten tons of money from Ibotta. A lot of you guys have, but I feel like this is going to be my very first month that I do not complete level 4. I don't know why. I just feel like it's been super slow. I just finished level 2 in this transaction, so I don't know. I know you guys are sick of me babbling, so let's just dig in so I can show you guys what I got at Wally World. Now, let's see. My haul was really slow. I thought I had coupons, or I thought there was Ibotta deals. So I was just like feeling miserably. I'm just not thinking straight lately. But I ended up getting the Excedrin. It's the extra strength. You guys can get whatever. They are $3.84. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would end up paying $1.84 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Saving Star. Now, if you guys go on Saving Star now and you don't see it, it's no longer available. I do make videos showing you guys the new deals on Sundays or whenever I see new deals, because those are like, they limit those. So if there's like 100 people that add that to their list and they only had 100 available, that's it. It's something that's not always there when you guys go back to it. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. If you guys now go back to it and you didn't add it, it's not there anymore. But the good news is this ends up becoming a 16-cent moneymaker after you submit your receipt to Saving Star. So had to share with you guys on that deal. Now, I ended up doing I just wanted to do a lot of the rebates, but my store either didn't have it or they were sold out, like those B+B medicines. Like, my store is always sold out. Most of you guys can't even find them. I'm like, this sucks, but whatever. I'm being positive about things. But I ended up getting these Simply Summer's Eve's wipes. I have a friend who enjoys using these, so I'm like, I'll give them to you. So these are $2.98. Now, I had 2 $1 off coupons that I printed off from coupons.com like weeks ago. They're no longer available. They do have some coupons in one of your guys' inserts. I never got those coupons, so there's that if you guys want to use those coupons. But you guys would pay $3.96 for this. But then I also have a deal for $2.50 off of 2 on Ibotta, making this $1.46 or just 73 cents, which could be an okay deal. Some of you guys were saying that you didn't have that deal. Now, Ibotta is different. The money is different. Everything is different. I hate it, but everything is different on Ibotta. Some of you guys might have higher ones, lower ones, or none at all. It's weird, but just wanted to share with you guys on that in case you guys look and you can't find it. got some Aquafresh toothpaste. These were $1.67. You guys want to print off a 50-cent coupon from the Aquafresh website. You guys would end up paying $1.17 for this little guy. But then there is a $1 off coupon that you guys can print, or there's $1 off coupon. There's a $1 off deal on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 17 cents. Now you guys can use this for other ones. They have kid ones too. If you guys really need kids toothpaste, you can print off a 50-cent coupon. I think the toothpaste for the kids was $2.08, so you pay a little bit more, but you guys really need, you know, some toothpaste. And you should never really pay for toothpaste, but I think 17 cents for toothpaste is a pretty good deal. And it all depends. I mean, some people get sick of using the same stuff. I like to change it up a bit because I like living on the edge with my toothpaste. Yeah. Got Visine. Now this is the travel Visine. This is in the travel section. This was $1.97. You guys would pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.25 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this little guy just 72 cents. And all it is it just gets the red out and moisturizes your eyes. So, yeah, if you guys ever need that. I don't wear glasses, so I never really have problems with my eyes. The next deal I got is this little guy right here. I've never really eaten turkey, ground turkey before, but I'm like, you know what, for the price that you pay for it, I should get it. So this ground turkey was $2.68. There is a $1.50 off coupon on coupons.com that just popped up. You guys would pay $1.18 for this. But in my Ibotta, I have a $1.10 rebate. You guys might have it more, you might have it less. But I ended up getting this bad boy for 8 cents, and you can't go wrong with 8 cents of ground turkey. I wanted to do the Covergirl Flourish Mascara, but I scanned the item while I was at the store. I scanned all 4 colors and none of them matched. I don't know how, when it's the same exact picture on Ibotta, they sometimes let you email them and fix it, but I'm just like, I don't got time for it, so I'm like, I'm just going to put it back, but just be prepared if you guys do that Covergirl deal. The item will not scan. So, yeah. And then the last and final item I got are these Rubbermaid mixer mates. We have those $2 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. The only bad thing is these coupons only let you use 1 per transaction. So I ended up making 4 transactions. I'm not including these in my thing, but I ended up getting 4 of them. I did 4 separate transactions, and I ended up buying like a candy bar to make up for the rest, because I thought these are great to have for like whenever, and they're pretty good. I don't know if they're like leak proof, but they're pretty decent, and you can do this if you want to make mixed drinks, take it camping, you can do this. So these were $1.48. You guys want to use that $2 off coupon, making it a 52-cent moneymaker. So it comes absolutely free for this thing. I think that is a great deal. And those coupons do expire, I think, July 8th. So if you guys still have a ton of them, try to see if your store has them and try to do that deal. So yeah, that was my Walmart haul. I feel like I said earlier in my video, Walmart is really, well, Walmart's okay. I'm not slamming Walmart, but with Ibotta deals and Walmart, I feel like there just isn't a lot of great deals. I mean, the thing is, like, some of those deals they have in there, my store doesn't even carry, and it's like, why do you guys, I mean, I understand it's a new item, but like some stores don't carry that stuff, so I don't know. I don't know. I just really hope it picks up. But like I said, Ibotta is my favorite app. I'm just hoping, and I have a feeling July will be a great month because I think they noticed that June will be is a slow month for people doing deals. So I have a feeling July is going to kick its butt for June. So yeah.
You kick your butt.
Yeah, kick your butt. My total came to $9.60 for everything. I ended up getting $5.85 back with Ibotta. I'll be getting $2 back with Smart Source. And then I also hit level 2, which I don't know how many rebates I needed. I haven't been paying attention to the levels because I have a feeling I will not hit them this month. But if you guys had all that stuff together, there for a second, I don't like sneezing on camera, but I got everything for 75 cents. I ended up getting only 7 items, and that came out to be pretty much just 10 cents a piece. So yeah, it was a kind of a bad week. I wanted to do that B&B, but my store has been sold out. The Covergirl didn't work, and there's just some other deals that are just kind of lame. But I hope you guys have a better shopping experience at Walmart than I did. My coupon scanned just fine, no problems. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoy it. And if I miss any deals that are really obvious, please let me know. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.